やっぱ好みみたいな、でも好み OK です。多すぎる鉄板好きです。はい。カメラつないでいいや。辛いかも。辛いかも抹茶。
They never stopped you before, man. We used to drink Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.